Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a pom-pom, the traditional way and the modern way. So let's get started. Okay then, so first of all we'll show you the traditional way. And the traditional way is all you need is 2 pieces of cardboard cut out like this. I used a cup to draw round. So I've put the cup upside down and I drew round it, and then to draw the middle I actually used my glue, so that was ideal. Okay, so all you do is you put the 2 pieces together, you get a piece of wool, and then you just start wrapping it around. Always use smaller pieces of wool because the old traditional way it could get really tangled up and you wouldn't be able to get a ball of wool through the hole anyway. So you just keep going round and round, round and round. When you get to the end, all you need to do is just carry on, or you can tie a tiny knot to keep them together. It's entirely up to you. And then when you've finished, you cut with your scissors all the way around, and then you tie a piece to hold them together before you pull these off. Pull it tight, lovely tight knot, then you can pull them apart and then you'll have your pom-pom. Okay, we'll try now with some modern pom-pom makers. In the shops you can buy 4 different sizes, and this is what I have here. I bought them as a pack from a local craft store. So what we're going to do today, we are actually going to make this size. So it's the next size up from the smaller one. We'll have a pink. This is a piece of wool, I think, it was actually given to me. So I think it was actually made into something and then it's been pulled apart, and this is how you get a crinkle look, which I think is going to make the pom-pom look really effective. So first things first, it's in 2 pieces like this. So you put the pieces together and then you pull out the 2 arms. So now we're going to start wrapping. Wrapping it all the way round, as fast or as slow as you'd like. I've been making a few pom-poms, so I can sort of make it a bit quicker. As you can see, there's some gaps, so try and fill in the gaps if you can. Just keep going backwards and forwards. The more you put on, the bigger your pom-pom, the more fuller it's going to be, as we say. You can use thick wool, you can use thin wool. The thicker wool will give you a fuller, again, pom-pom. And the thinner wool will give you a smaller pom-pom, which I've never done really, but I think you may have to put a lot on to give it a good effect. So I think that's enough there. We'll just finish it up around here where I've quite missed. I've been too busy doing the middle. So now I've done that bit, I'm going to cut it off there. And then before you carry on with the next size, you fold it in to keep it secure. Then you turn it round, and then you do the same on the other side. Exactly the same. Let's try and hold it in so I don't want it falling apart. So you just keep on wrapping it round. We'll go round first, and then I can come back and fill in the gaps. That's it. I've actually made these for work colleagues. We have to wear a lanyard round our, and then to identify whose is who, because everybody's is the same. I made a pom-poms and I've made keyrings as well. So in one of the videos I'll do a keyring, a name keyring tutorial with beads, and you can add charms and that, but that'll be in the next video. Okay. Oh, so I think this one's nearly done now, so we'll cut that one off there. What have we done here? That's it. So I'll pull that one round, and then I can fold it in like that. And now we're going to hold it together and we're going to cut all of the wool. You'll need some really sharp scissors for this. Just cut. That's it, like that. And again, do it on the other side. Don't matter about any of these, you won't see any loose pieces once it's all put together. Because what we're going to do now, we're going to tie. So I'm going to take a piece of my other, and I'm going to double it, I think, to give it a bit of strength, because I really want it to tie tightly. I don't want it to snap or come undone. No, you can see I've missed a piece there. So we'll just come back in, give it a snip on the scissors, and now we can secure all of them. I'm going to do this a couple of times to make sure that my pom-pom is not going to fall apart. So there we go. And then it's up to you what you want to do. If it's for a project, if you're going to sew it onto something, or what I normally do is I put a little knot in there until I decide what I want to do with it, whether I want to make it in a key ring or something like that. That's fine. And now the magic begins. What we're going to do, we are going to pull apart each one. What am I doing now? That's it. I haven't taken these off, have I? Having a blonde moment. So now the magic begins. So we pull that one apart, and then we pull that one apart, and there we have a pom-pom. Now it's quite okay to get little ends like this, and all you do is you just come in and you just trim them, and it makes your pom-pom. That's it. And there you go. One pom-pom done. You can also add different colours if you want to, mix the colours. So here's one I made earlier where I've used two colours. It's quite simple and quick to do. As you can see, the thin wool there hasn't filled out. I didn't put enough in, but the white one is quite okay, but I could have done with a bit more in there. And then I've done a smaller one on this one. Actually, what we've done a little a nice colour there. And that's it. That's our tutorial today. Okay, that's our pom-poms done for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, can you please give me a thumbs up? That'd be fantastic. And if you would like to subscribe, that'd be even more fantastic. And our next tutorial will be making beaded key rings. Okay, so till next time, bye for now.